You see, but in the midst of that kind of stuff driving you to attain this or that or the other thing, it tends to stress you out. Because your life is on the line, right? It's important. Your life is at stake. You get really stressed out about that. And sometimes it's like, seems to be working. Wow, I really got all these people to love me. It seems like they love me. Whatever, I got all these people. I control a lot of people. Oh, it's good. Whatever, I'm making a lot of money. Whatever. And it seems to be working, whatever it is. And so you say, and when it seems to be working, you'll say in your mind, say, I'm happy. I'm happy. You won't actually be happy, but you'll say I'm happy. So your mind will read that out as happiness. Why? Well, because that's survival. See, I'm working. I'm going to live, which is an important part to survival. Usually, I'm going to live, and I'm going to see. It's working. I'm going to accomplish this. I'm going to be whole and complete. I will be fixed. You see, I will be me. And so you go, yes, I'm happy. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. But have you ever noticed that after that thought, it's not usually very long where another one comes. Oops, it's not working out. It's not going, damn it. Things okay. Almost had it there. Okay, I got to work hard again, build it back up, and I'll get that, slot A into peg B or whatever. Yeah, I'll make it. I almost got there. It's like Sisyphus with his rock. So when Sisyphus sees his rock is coming up over the top of the hill, it's like, oh, okay, here. Oh, yes, I'm so happy. Oh, look, oh, damn it. Okay, next time I'll get it. I think you should have just built a divot up at the top there. Spent some time instead of keep rolling the. Okay, but anyway. And that's kind of like that.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.